Hi class, hope you're doing very well. Dr. Latz here. Wanted to make a quick video for you this afternoon. I got an email from Patty explaining that she was experiencing some access issues with some of the readings for next week. So I took a look at those and fixed them and just wanted to give you a heads up so that you would know. Okay, so as you can see in front of you, I'm looking at our Blackboard environment, our course site. And first things first, we've got a number of readings for next week. Looking at page 11 of the syllabus, you can see we've got a couple of chapters from our course texts. First, the Understanding Community Colleges book, and then the Marginalized Students New Directions volume. Now, if you click on this tab on the left, some course readings, and scroll all the way down, you'll see a listing of the chapters for the various New Directions readings. So if you can see here, you'll see Chapter 2, for example, and then the last name of Becker as the author. Now, if we then go over to eCourse Reserves and take a look at all the availability of the chapters and various journal articles that were placed on eCourse Reserve, you're going to find a variety of Chapter 2s, but you're going to want to look for the name of this author in addition to the correct name of the chapter. Now, our library subscribes to New Directions, so what it'll do is it'll kick you to a link where you have to kind of click again on the full PDF version of the text, and then it'll come up for you. So I know it's a couple of arduous steps, but hopefully you'll be able to navigate to get to those. So for next week in that particular text, we have chapters 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you'll access each of them in this same way. The other thing that Patty had recognized is that when we look for the second, the fourth thing on the list for February 18th is this leader article. And she was noticing that when she goes to access it, this was happening, unfortunately. She was clicking on the link, and then it kicks her out to CCJRP, and then she would go to click on the PDF, and, well, it looks like, well, actually, that was a teaser right there. It looked like I was able to get it, and then I'm not able to. Unfortunately, what that means is that our library does not subscribe to CCJRP, and because of some copyright issues, I was not able to post to eCourse Reserves a number of journal articles from the same issue. So what I've done to address that is to just pop the article into one of our Blackboard tabs. So some course readings. If you click on Leader here, you'll get access to the full text. Okay. So I hope this is helpful. Sorry about all the internet gymnastics here, but I think now we've got it squared away, and you should have access to everything with no problem. However, if you do run into any problems, just shoot me an email, and I'll noodle it and get it fixed for you. All right. You all have a great afternoon, a great weekend, and thanks again for just being awesome yesterday and always. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.